Hello, guys. Welcome to this episode. It's your go-to code guy Wisdom, and in this episode, we are going to see how to tap things, how to tap words or texts in Python programming language. Okay, guys, this is Python 3 application. It's a mobile application, and this is the interpreter interface. We are familiar with the editor interface and the interpreter interface. Okay, so if you are just joining us for the first time, I've made out a collection of strings as a topic in Python programming language. So you do yourself well to check them out. If you're seeing this from TikTok, you should head over to the collections tab, and then I've made a catalog for it. And then if you are seeing this from YouTube, you should head over to the playlist on my profile, and you see a playlist I've made out for this particular topic, just to give you a better understanding of everything we've been doing. Okay, how do we tab things in Python programming language? This is a quick one and quite understandable. There's a method known as this. Okay, this is how you, by imputing this method, this is how you tab things in Python programming language. Now, what is tabbing? Like, tabbing is just a way to leave out four spaces before a text or before a character. That is one, two, three, four. Then something next happens. Okay. So how do we go about that in Python programming language? Python programming language has rules of coding. That is there's a word for it, but it is good practice that you actually tab things out before when programming. You tab your code. That is when something comes up, the next thing that follows should um, come up after four spaces have been made. Okay, so that is something we'll be looking at sometime later in the future. Okay, but for now, how do we go about that? So if we wanted to print out um, a tabbed text, a tabbed Google text. Okay, so we open our parentheses. Remember, use your quotes, open your quotes, and say Python tab this for me. That is, leave out four spaces before Google, before the text Google, right? So we've been able to tell, with this code, we've been able to tell Python, leave out four spaces, right, before the text Google. Okay, when we print this out, you see what happens, okay? So you see, it has left out four spaces before printing out Google with the method, with this particular method here, a backslash and a T. So before now, we've been looking at how to escape things. This is a very powerful character. This backslash character is a powerful one because we've been able to create new lines from previous episodes. We're able to learn how to create a new line. We're able to learn how to escape or make use of an apostrophe, because we know that quotes are like apostrophe and they are very important in coding. What if we wanted to print out a quote? We've been able to learn how to go about that. We've been also able to learn how to use this character itself in a program. So it's a very valuable character. Okay, and it cannot be emphasized, overemphasized rather. Okay, so that's it about this episode, guys. It was a quick one, quite understandable. So you go over this more than once, and then you play around with it. Continue playing around with some of these things, some of these videos, whatever you learn. Play around it. That's the only way to get it to stick in your head. All right, and then I'm not saying it's always going to stick in your head, but then you remember that, yeah, I think Python can do this for me. And then maybe I've seen an episode, I've learned something like this before. Then that's how it sticks. Okay, that's how it sticks. That's how it helps you become a better programmer or a coder, better coder. So that's it for this episode, guys. I've not missed anything. I've not missed out anything. I'm quite sure I haven't, because this was a very simple one. But if I have, I'll be in the comment section or the description. Bye for now, guys.